10 IKEA wall decor ideas and hacks for your home. What I love about walking through IKEA is how they use their own products in unusual ways. Sometimes it's only a little unusual, and sometimes it's a true hack that turns the product into something totally new. I'm going to show you a few of both of those types of IKEA hacks. 1. Go 3D with cubbies. I snapped a pic of this vignette because those cubbies are three-dimensional. It gives the room a little bit of interesting beyond just a flat painting on the wall. The cubbies are also display cases for your favorite things, and they are great for storage. 2. A rug is like a tapestry, but warmer. If you want to get a cozy feel in your bedroom, try this idea of hanging a big rug on the wall behind your bed, just like you would a tapestry. The difference is that the rug has texture and just looks nice and warm. 3. Vertical herb garden. The Vilto wall storage ladder is so versatile. On this trip to IKEA, it's being used as a vertical herb garden. It's such a slim piece that it barely takes up any room. In fact, it creates space for you, because normally you'd be growing those herbs on the windowsill, right? 4. Those cutting boards. I love these butcher block cutting boards against the black wall. This was a display in the cafeteria that I had to snap a photo of after I had my meatballs and green beans. 5. Large-scale wall art. Gallery walls are awesome. We'll see a couple soon. But sometimes you just want to bang one nail in the wall and be done with it, right? That's where these beautiful large-scale wall art pieces come in. This one of the bridge is my favorite. No more boring giant wall. 6. Hang it with ribbon. Little touches can go a long way with your wall decor. You could just hang these pretty silhouettes in the gold frames and be done with it. They would be lovely. They look a little feminine and romantic, right? 7. Your desk needs decor too. These IKEA-style pegboards are one of my favorite newer items from IKEA. They are so versatile, and they have that whole I'm pretty and useful thing going for them. They are great in an office area like this one, because you can use them to store desk stuff like pens and paper clips if you want. 8. Show off your stuff with open shelving. In the kitchen, I like to see your actual stuff used as decor. Your pretty plates or structural pots. They can definitely be worthy as a piece of decor. It's all in how you display them. 9. Flowy organic gallery wall. If you want to create one of these flowy organic gallery walls without making the eyeballs not know where to rest themselves, then this is how you do it. You pick a soft and subtle theme and then lay them out on the wall however you like. These images are great for a calm, relaxing dinner in the dining room. 10. Put something different on your wall. You might be thinking that those rattan-looking circles are interesting decor because they have great texture. They are, but they are also seats. Yes, seats. They are like a cushion, so if your kids are floor sitters, they will love these.